Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find bears and analyze the bears in code Red Hooded mission in Lego Batman Dark Knight Legacy. So right here what you'll need to do is just go to container and open that. After that you'll need to analyze the bear, as you can see, like that. And basically that's pretty much it, guys. You'll get an idea, and I will show all the locations of the bears and basically how to solve those puzzles. See you in the next one.
That's the first chemical identified. Let's find the other two. Time to identify this chemical. Just one more bear to analyze. Then we can figure out what Red Hood 1 is really up to. Okay, time to find out what he's been storing in this bear.